What will the world look like in 2022 and the coming years? According to futurists, we live in a society where technology is king and machines do most of the work. While this may sound like a scary prospect to some, it also opens up opportunities for those looking to invest their money. Hello everyone, welcome to Wealthy Wisdom. If you're new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. In this video, we will talk about top investment opportunities in 2022. Keep in mind that this list is by no means exhaustive, so be sure to do your research before making any final decisions. Number 1. High-yield savings accounts. In recent years, interest rates on savings accounts have been historically low. However, that may be about to change. According to experts, high-yield savings accounts could be one of the top investment opportunities in 2022. High-yield savings accounts offer a higher rate of return than traditional savings accounts. This means that you can grow your money faster. And since they are FDIC insured, they are a safe place to park your cash. Number 2. Artificial intelligence. As we enter a new decade, it's time to look for the next ample investment opportunity. And there is no doubt that artificial intelligence or AI is one of the most promising sectors. From self-driving cars to medical diagnosis, AI is expected to revolutionize many industries in the years to come. But what does that mean for investors? Here are a few reasons why AI should be on your radar in 2022. AI is still in its early stages of development, which means enormous growth potential. While some companies have already started incorporating AI into their products and services, we are still only scratching the surface of what's possible. This represents an excellent opportunity for early investors to get in on the ground floor of a potentially massively profitable industry. Secondly, AI is becoming increasingly more affordable as technology improves. This decrease in price point will open up opportunities for small and medium-sized businesses to adopt AI, which will help to drive further growth in the sector. Finally, as AI begins to enter more and more industries, we can expect to see an increase in M&A activity. This consolidation will create opportunities for investors to profit from the rise of AI leaders in various industries. So if you're looking for the next ample investment opportunity, keep an eye on AI in 2022. Its massive potential for growth and profitability is a sector worth watching. Number 3. Healthcare technology. The healthcare industry is one of the most rapidly evolving industries in the world. Healthcare technology is constantly improving, making it easier and more convenient for people to get the care they need. Healthcare technology includes many products and services that aim to improve patient care, including electronic medical records, telemedicine, and healthcare analytics. The global healthcare IT market is expected to grow from $121 billion in 2016 to $318 billion by 2022, at a compound annual growth rate of 19.9%. And with the advent of 5G technology, which promises faster data speeds and lower latency, the opportunities for healthcare technology will only increase. So if you're looking for an industry with tremendous growth potential, healthcare technology is an excellent place to start. Number 4. The Internet of Things. The Internet of Things, also known as the IoT, refers to the growing network of physical objects connected to the Internet. This includes everything from smart thermostats and security cameras to industrial machines and vehicles. 2022 is estimated that there will be over 30 billion devices connected to the IoT. With so many devices collecting data and interacting with each other, the IoT has a potential to transform the way we live and work. For businesses, this means new opportunities for data collection and analysis and improved efficiency and productivity. For consumers, it promises greater convenience and control over their everyday lives. The IoT is still in its early stages but has already significantly impacted the world around us. As more and more devices come online, the potential for transformative changes will only continue to grow. Number 5. Blockchain technology. Blockchain is a distributed database that allows for secure, transparent, and tamper-proof transactions. This makes it ideal for use in the financial sector. While still in its infancy, blockchain has the potential to revolutionize a wide range of industries, from banking and finance to healthcare and supply chain management. For those unfamiliar with blockchain, it is a distributed database that allows for secure, transparent, and tamper-proof transactions. This makes it ideal for use cases such as tracking the movement of goods through a supply chain or processing financial transactions. Number 6. Robotics. Robotics is another area of technology that is experiencing rapid growth. Robotics companies are developing new and innovative ways to automate tasks. One example of this is the delivery robot developed by Starship Technologies. This robot can deliver parcels and groceries to people's homes. Robots are also being designed to assist surgeons in operating theaters. Number 7. Self-driving cars. Self-driving cars are one of the most exciting technologies of recent years. But despite the hype, there has been significant progress in developing self-driving vehicles. Many major companies, including Google, Tesla, and Uber, are currently working on self-driving car technology. In addition, several car manufacturers such as BMW and Mercedes-Benz are also working on self-driving cars. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Number 8. Cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies have seen a surge in popularity in recent years, and their popularity is only expected to grow in the years to come. Here are some of the top investment opportunities in cryptocurrencies for 2022. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the most well-known cryptocurrency and is also the most traded. Its popularity is due to its stability and its potential for appreciation. While there is always a risk of volatility, many experts believe Bitcoin is an excellent long-term investment. Ethereum. Ethereum is another popular cryptocurrency that has seen significant growth in recent years. Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum is not limited to 21 million coins and can be mined indefinitely. This makes it an attractive option for investors looking for long-term growth potential. Litecoin. Litecoin is often considered silver to Bitcoin's gold. While it is not as well known as Bitcoin, Litecoin has much growth potential. Its main advantage over Bitcoin is its faster transaction times. This makes it a good choice for investors looking for a currency that can be used for everyday transactions. Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash is a Bitcoin fork created in 2017. It has since become one of the most popular cryptocurrencies due to its low fees and fast transaction times. While it is not as widely accepted as Bitcoin, many businesses are beginning to take it as a form of payment. Cardano. Cardano is a relatively new cryptocurrency with much growth in recent months. Its main advantage over other cryptocurrencies is its use of a proof-of-stake system, which is more energy efficient than the proof-of-work system used by Bitcoin. This makes it a good choice for investors looking for a more environmentally friendly currency. These are just some of the top investment opportunities in cryptocurrencies for 2022. With the proper research and due diligence, any of these could be a great way to add to your portfolio. Number 9. 3D printing. As the world becomes increasingly digitized, it is no surprise that 3D printing is becoming one of the top investment opportunities. This technology has a wide range of applications, from manufacturing to medical, and is only getting more popular. The global 3D printing market is expected to reach $42.90 billion by 2025. While there are many different 3D printing companies to invest in, here are a few of the top contenders. XYZ Printing. XYZ Printing is a leading consumer 3D printer manufacturer. Their products are known for their ease of use and affordability, making them an excellent option for beginners. Stratasys. Stratasys is a significant player in the industrial 3D printing market. Their products are used in various industries, including aerospace and automotive. Renisha. Renisha is a UK-based company that specializes in metal 3D printing. This technology is used in many high-tech applications, such as medical implants and aerospace components. If you're looking for a promising growth industry to invest in, 3D printing is a great option. What makes 3D printing such a profitable investment opportunity is its versatility. This technology can be used for various purposes and will only become more prevalent in the years to come. Number 10. Virtual reality. Virtual reality, or VR, is a computer-generated simulation of an environment that allows users to interact with it realistically. Investors looking to capitalize on the next big thing may want to keep virtual reality squarely in their sights. Though the technology is still in its early stages of development, VR has the potential to revolutionize some industries, from entertainment and gaming to education and healthcare. And with several significant players such as Facebook, Google, and Microsoft investing heavily in VR hardware and software, the virtual reality market is poised for explosive growth in the coming years. For savvy investors, virtual reality presents a unique opportunity to get in on the ground floor of what could be the next big thing. Number 11. Real estate. The real estate market has been one of the best performing asset classes in recent years. This is because there is a growing demand for property, especially in major cities. Investors can invest in real estate through several different vehicles, such as REITs, real estate crowdfunding platforms, and direct investment. Number 12. Gold. Gold is a precious metal that has been used as a form of currency, jewelry, and investment for centuries. Gold is often seen as a haven asset as it performs well during economic uncertainty. Investors can invest in gold through exchange-traded funds or ETFs, mutual funds, and direct investment. Gold can also be purchased through a gold IRA. Number 13. ADU development. ADU development creates accessory dwelling units or ADUs, which are tiny living spaces attached to or detached from an existing home. ADUs can be used as rental, in-law, or primary residences. ADU development is a growing trend in the real estate industry as it allows for more density and flexibility in housing. As a result, investing in ADU development could be a wise move in 2022. Of course, any investment carries some risk, so be sure to do your research before making any decisions. But if you're looking for a lucrative opportunity in the real estate market, ADU development is worth considering. Finally, green energy. Green energy is renewable energy sourced from natural resources such as the sun, wind, and water. Green energy is often seen as a more environmentally friendly alternative to traditional forms of energy such as coal and oil. Investors can invest in green energy through several different vehicles, including green bonds, renewable energy ETFs, and solar funds. While this list provides an overview of the top investment opportunities in 2022, we repeat, it is not exhaustive. Many other exciting industries and sectors could offer attractive options for investors in the coming years. Do your research to find the right investment opportunity for you. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Thank you and goodbye.